So, the communication club is taking off from today. In this club, you will be learning presentation skills, how to make an effective presentation, whether it is PowerPoint presentation, whether it's a GD or a debate. So everything has some rules and regulations. So the first topic which I'm going to give you today is under the ages of communication club, recapping of the lesson learned. I have shared the content, the write-up in your group. So if you all are prepared, and the first rule is keep your cameras on. Some students are offline, they can keep it off, but those who are online, it is mandatory. You keep your cameras on. So, yes, connect. We are starting the presentation of recapping on the lessons learned under the ages of SIMEJ Communication Club. Let us start with Mahi.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has to make a presentation on the topic of their choice of the lessons learned in the past few months. Right? Yes, Mahi.
Yes, ma'am. Abstract on Rahul Bajaj. Rahul Bajaj is born on 10 June 1938 in an Agrawal family. He is an Indian billionaire businessman. He is the chairman of Indian conglomerate Bajaj Group and a member of parliament. Rahul Bajaj comes from the business house started by Jamanlal Bajaj. He was awarded the third highest civilian award, Padma Bhushan, in the year 2001. Family. Rahul Bajaj is the son of Rajasthani businessman Jaman Lal Bajaj, who started Bajaj Auto in 1945. He has one brother whose name is Shashir Bajaj. He is married to Rupa Rani and he has two children, Rajiv and Sanjeev, who are also involved in his company, and a daughter named Sunena. His education. Rahul Bajaj went to Cathedral and John Cannon School. He graduated from St. Stephen's College in Delhi. He is also an alumni of the prestigious Harvard.
1 minute, Mahi. Are you giving me the summary of Rahul Bajaj or is it an abstract?
I think, ma'am.
You are including all the details, like?
Yes, ma'am. Oh,
like, I will start the abstract. I will start Rahul Bajaj.
Yes, ma'am.
With the physique of an athlete. He had a physique of an athlete. He was very tall and was well built. One look at him, and he looked like a sports person.
Yes, ma'am.
So a person who is a Rahul Bajaj, a towering personality. Towering personality means high personality. His physique resembled that of an athlete. So you can start with something interesting, and then leave that. Come to another line. A family, a close-knit family. A close-knit family which valued relationship, close relationship, the bonding, the sharing, the caring. Finished. 1-2 lines, that's it. His education. Went to a school where people judged him. Once interviewed, the interviewer wanted to know, was he treated differently because he is from a high class family? But he said no. But his reply was, he was treated like just any other child. and so on. Leave it hanging. Leave something for the reader to be interested that yes, I would like to read what kind of person he was. And then to college. College was fun. College was fun for him. He studied, he freaked out like any other teacher, like any other youngster. Put up in a hostel instead of in a family members setup, because he wanted to enjoy life with his friends, because the freedom was his priority. So he chose to be in a hostel. Move on. A few lines about each stage of life, right? You understand, Mahi? So here I am giving you some abstract. I am not giving you the entire thing.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Concise karo. Make it concise.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. And then about his career, about his business, about his life at Oxford.
Okay.
He tasted rejection at Oxford because of lack of experience. There was no looking back for Rahul Bajaj. He came back and he joined his company. That's it. एक दो लाइनें लिखनी है. Interesting parts about his life. Do you understand? Don't need to mention he had a brother, his name was this, his grandfather. कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, एक दो लाइनें मैं बोल रही हूँ, उसी को abstract कहते हैं. Rahul Bajaj says, I know every brick in the factory, which speaks volumes about him. A person whom you can look up, admire and be inspired. Full stop. That's it. This is an abstract. Do you understand? यही abstract होता है. एक दो लाइनें और दो तीन डॉट्स करके हैंग करके छोड़ देना, बिकॉज आपको you have to make it very interesting, and including his love life from a Marwadi Baniya family and the pains of falling in love with a Brahmin, South Indian Brahmin. But yes, he struggled and he was a winner. Full stop. He was a winner. हम क्यों बताएंगे he got married and this and that? Nothing. Keep make your abstract interesting. हम लोगों को जिज्ञासा होगी ना कि क्या है, इस तरह का abstract बनाएंगे हम, लोगों को एक जिज्ञासा हो जाएगी, क्यूरियोसिटी हो जाएगी. Okay, so this was Rahul Bajaj. His sons, poles apart. One into yoga. The other was a complete extrovert, an introvert and extrovert. All in the family. मतलब आप जानना चाहेंगे कि एक दो बेटे थे उनके, दोनों अलग अलग कैसे, born of the same family, same parents. How can you be poles apart? Poles apart मतलब एक दूसरे से बिल्कुल अलग. One, an introvert. He wanted to find out, he was working behind the scenes, wanting to find out why this is happening. The other was a complete extrovert, outgoing. Have you read his story, first of all? Let me ask you. आपने पढ़ा भी है कि नहीं? मैंने तो पढ़ा है, जिसकी वजह से मैंने abstract बता दिया आपको. But आपने पढ़ा है कि नहीं? Have you really read that story? अगर नहीं पढ़ा है तो हेलो, यहाँ हम इतनी मुश्किल चीज़ को सिंपल करने की कोशिश में हैं. instead of writing down the points, or is this conversation more interesting to you? जब बात ही करने आते भैया तो बाहर बाहर आ करो ना, बाहर आओ, बाहर हो। मुश्किल चीज़ को कैसे सिंप्लीफाई करके कहा जा बताया जा रहा है, उसको सीखना है आपको। And this is the fourth day that I am telling you how to make an abstract. Again, you can start, talk about his family, but use your own sentences. अगर आपने उस कहानी को पूरी पढ़ ली है, तो जैसे हमने तो पढ़ लिया कई बार, पढ़ाने के क्रम में भी पढ़ा है, और पढ़ाने के क्रम में और भी इंटरेस्टिंग बना करके पढ़ा है। I used to read the entire text to the students, explaining every line with expressions. So, if you do your homework, you can do your classwork. अगर आपने राहुल बजाज नहीं पढ़ा है, तो अभी हम आपको एब्स्ट्रैक्ट बता दिए ना। अगर आपको लग रहा है इंटरेस्टिंग, तो आप जाके राहुल बजाज को पढ़ लीजिए, and then write an abstract. If I will write an abstract, I can write in 100 different, I can start differently, like Rahul Bajaj. One look at him, and who can tell you that he is a businessman? First look, you will think of him as an athlete, as a complete sports person with his well-built physique. The personality, which speaks volumes about him. The towering personality. You can be inspired. You can be motivated. You can be dragged into the aura of Rahul Bajaj. मतलब dragged in का मतलब है कि आप बिल्कुल इतने आकर्षित हो जाएंगे कि आप खींचे चुंबक की तरह उनकी पर्सनालिटी है. You will be dragged in. तो ये सब लाइनें स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, उसको पढ़ के तो you will be interested. Anybody will be interested to read the whole thing. What is this story about Rahul Bajaj? The ups and downs of life. A very basic human being who lived and carried the family culture. जितनी आप सुनेंगे, उतनी आप बोल पाएंगे, उतनी आप बना पाएंगे. Creative writing, abstract is completely creative writing. कोई चीज़ पढ़ के उसको कैसे आप बता रहे हैं, हाउ आर यू एक्सप्लेनिंग, दिस इज एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, बट मेकिंग इट इवन मोर इंटरेस्टिंग. Mahi, did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now you start again. 2 minutes time. Abstract and Rahul Bajaj.
Yes, ma'am.
आप तो poet हो ना, you are a poet. तो तुम तो words use करो. Even I am a writer, so things come easily to me because of continuous writing.
Ma'am, in next class I write again and there's
No.
for you.
Tomorrow is now. There will be tomorrow, but you'll talk about other things.
Prepare me, ma'am.
Okay, तुम जैसा बनाओ तुम उसको बताओ. Okay, now you are not making an abstract. You're telling us about Rahul Bajaj. Let people know so that it will help them to make an abstract. Right, Mahi?
Yes, ma'am. From starting, I have to read.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Rahul Bajaj. Rahul Bajaj is born on 10 June 1938 in the Agrawal family. He is an Indian billionaire businessman. He is the chairman of Indian conglomerate Bajaj Group and a member of parliament. Rahul Bajaj comes from the business house started
Mahi, are you reading it out? मेरे पास वही content है क्या? Am I reading it out? पढ़ो मत बोलो. पढ़ने में क्या होता है ना कि सारा ध्यान पढ़ने में रहता है. मेरा मोबाइल भी बंद है. सी, मोबाइल बंद, सब बंद. चलो, start bright. You already know Rahul Bajaj. आप पढ़ चुके हैं, अब उसके बारे में आप बताइए. In one short paragraph, tell me about Rahul Bajaj.
Yes, ma'am. He is
What
an
is your
Indian.
takeaway about Rahul Bajaj? Don't tell me he was born on such date. I'm not interested. Who is bothered? He must be 70 years old now. I'm not bothered. How old is he now? But yes, I would like to know what is he? What is the charisma of Rahul Bajaj? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Rahul Bajaj he's an Indian billionaire businessman, and he got many awards like Padma Bhushan.
अगर आप businessman बोल रहे हैं तो Indian billionaire बोलिए ना.
Yes, ma'am. Indian
Born in
billionaire.
a business class family. Rahul Bajaj was born in a business class family, and yes, a billionaire. And yes एक strong point हो जाता है. And yes, a billionaire. हम सिखा रहे हैं, तुम सीखो ना तुम.
Yes, ma'am.
Every class is a workshop. People learn from teachers. Teachers नहीं बोलेंगे तो बच्चे भी नहीं बोलेंगे. So the students are the complete reflections of teachers. चलो. अच्छा, माही को थोड़ा रेस्ट करते हैं. अनीशा जायसवाल, let's start with you. Oh, 1 minute. गौरव, yeah. Sorry. गौरव सबसे पहले hand raise किया था. Yes, गौरव. I'm glad that you are making an effort to improve. And after Gaurav, Anisha.
Can I start, ma'am? Narayan Murthy is born on 20 August 1946 in an Indian billionaire businessman. He is the founder of Infosys and has been the chairman and chief executive officer. What we learned from Narayan Murthy? Murthy is his ability to keep it a smile, both in his personal life and his professional life one. What is Narayan Murthy famous for? Narayan Murthy is an Indian billionaire businessman. He is the founder of Infosys and has been the chairman and chief executive officer, CEO, president and chief monitor of the company before retiring and taking the little chairman emeritus. How are you inspired by Narayan Murthy? While giving a lecture in New York University, Narayan Murthy said, based on my life experience, I can assert that it is this belief in learning from experience. That's all, ma'am.
Yes, yours was okay. But about Narayan Murthy, you can add a lot of things. Born in a joint family,
Yes,
and
yes,
so many with siblings. How many siblings were there? 10 or 11 siblings?
Ma'am, 7.
7, ma'am, 7.
7 siblings. I said 11. And so his mother was so hardworking, and he always saw his mother working on something or the other. He was cooking, and there was smoke coming out of the house, and then they were all sleeping in the drawing room, all the children and all together. And now Rahul Bajaj, and Narayan Murthy now, he lives in an apartment, but his children are not there. An interesting fact about Narayan Murthy is that his children tell him when his children are spendthrift, मतलब पैसे बहुत खर्च करते वो. So when Narayan Murthy scolds them, tells them you are using too much of money or you are wasting money, then Narayan Murthy के बच्चे कहते हैं, his children tell him that I can afford because my father is rich. You could not afford, so you did not use money, so don't tell us. So smilingly he tells us that my children tell me I can afford because my father is rich. So he sometimes he regrets that now he is living in a place where he just two of them, his wife, and along with his wife he lives there alone. And otherwise when he was a child, there were so many people in the house, and all the siblings used to sleep in the drawing room, all sprawled on the floor. तो कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बात आप बताइए, लेकिन उसको भी छुपा करके बताइए. Comparatively, life was different. Life was so different for Narayan Murthy. And how, from a mathematician, his father wanted him to become an IAS. But luck had something else in store. तो ये एक लाइन, फादर चाहते थे IAS बने, लेकिन but luck was something else. And how he turned from mathematics to computers, that is a beautiful story. That is a beautiful story. पर 2-3 dots डाल के छोड़ दीजिए. That will be in my write-up. है ना? तो इस तरह से तुम लिखोगे तो you are making interesting. Otherwise तुम्हारा ठीक था.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. तुम्हारा abstract ठीक था. एक interest जागता है about his life. तुम अलग-अलग segment बना के लिखे हो. That is good.
Yes, ma'am. अभी और ऐड कर रहे हैं मैम. नेक्स्ट क्लास में और
मैं और ऐड करूँगी. जितना छोटा रखा है और ऐड नहीं करना है. समरी थोड़ी बना रहे हो.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए प्रत्यय.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. No, no, screen share. Rahul Bajaj. Screen share कर. Abstract on. मैम स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहे हैं. कहिएगा तो कर देंगे. नहीं करें. थैंक यू.
कोई रीडिंग क्लास नहीं कर रहा है.
यस, नहीं उस दिन कराएं थे इसके सोचे कि पूछ लें एक बार. नहीं कोई नहीं सब. मैम है. Abstract on Rahul Bajaj. He was born on 10 June 1938.
I can see you, but on YouTube people sorry.
कैमरा ऑन है लेकिन अब. यस. Yes. Abstract on Rahul Bajaj. He was born on 10 June 1938 and belonged from the business family of Rajasthan. Belonged to the business family of Rajasthani Marwadi. His father jumped. Yes, मैं वही तो किए. मैम कॉमा देख मतलब और छोटा कर. तो जैसे मैम आप हमको स्पीच के टाइम में बताई थी कुछ यूनिक वर्ड ऐड करके जो थोड़ा अट्रैक्ट करे.
और हमारी बिजनेस फैमिली तो थोड़ा सा आगे बोलो स्नेक के जाता है प्रॉब्लम बिजनेस.
His father.
बिजनेस कॉलेज करता है.
Yes. Because Marwadi का मतलब उसको थोड़ा सा अच्छा. His father Jaman Lal Bajaj was also a great businessman.
But it was a family. His was a family of business. He came from a business class.
Yes.
Simply, father, mother, father, father, grandfather, Jaman Lal.
Completing his studies, Rahul Bajaj has created one of India's best company in the difficult day of license permit Raj. In 1980, Bajaj Auto was top scooter producer in India. That was his great achievement. Rahul Bajaj is India's most outspoken industrialist. Top scooter player of the world like Honda, Suzuki, Yamaha, Piaggio, Garelli, Peugeot, entered through collaborates on joint ventures in India. Minor हो जाता है. Ventures in India, but Bajaj Auto continued to dominate in the market. Rahul Bajaj believes in giving people a lot of independence. Rahul Bajaj has a strong feeling that management graduates should have. Rahul Bajaj is India's most outspoken industrialist.
Rahul Bajaj has a strong feeling that management graduates should have following must qualities to succeed in their future corporate life. First point is listen effectively, as that would give enough space to rationalize and innovate. And the second point is think like an entrepreneur, as that would give entrepreneur. Entrepreneur. Yes. Entrepreneur. As that would give enough space. Think like an entrepreneur, as that would give a space to become at least entrepreneur during job. Sahi hai, and the third point is cross functionality will help to go for adopting skills of multitasking. And the last point is smart work combined with hard work. मैम इसी सब पैराग्राफ मतलब क्या बोलते हैं, प्रोनाउंसिएशन को सही करने के लिए तो अक्सर बोला करते हैं, फिर गलत कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
आप म्यूट.
Yes. May I start? Abstract on Subhash Chandra. Abstract on Subhash Chandra. His life was full of challenges with more downs than ups, but he moved ahead with dedication and action. Subhash was born in a small village called Alampur into a business class family. After passing from a small village to this place now. Life came about from a small village to this current status, to his giant current status. After passing 10th standard, he joined engineering college in Punjab. But only after 10 months, a postcard received, and that was the end of his education. His father told him that now he is not able to send money for his studies. But he opted to support his family and came back home. His family had the debt of 6 lakh rupees, which was very high amount. From a small village to this to the giant great stages which we have enjoyed right now. That college came back because we opted to clear the family debts. Okay, so it is pretty good. Father told him to come back and हो गया उस समय के लिए वापस आ गए, इसलिए कि उनको फैमिली का
Clearing of family dues was not easy, but he tried his best, and he had also started a dal processing mill through which he was able to clear his family dues. By his inspiring story, we learned to be more stronger in difficult times and never give up, because no matter how bad the past was, we can always start again, that Subhash Chandra had done.
So I said include something about his current status. It should be like a circle. You're starting here like his childhood, and touching every sphere of his life, you make a circle. Then and now. I know it will be you will do it, but after writing a few months, few years, maybe after 10 years you will be perfect in writing abstract. No, after a few months. If you are practicing, you can do it. Yeah. Komal, keep your camera on. Camera should be on.
Chairman of the Indian Parliament, Bajaj Group and the Member of Parliament. Bajaj comes from the business house started by Chamanlal Bajaj. He was awarded in Top Award in 2001. His sons are now managing the day-to-day affairs of the company. Because 6 children, including Rajiv Bajaj, his sons Bajaj are involved in the management of his companies. That's all.
All right. Make it interesting so that after reading your abstract, people will be tempted to read the entire. All right. Sakshi Priya. कौन बोल रहे हैं? Keep your camera on. You start.
Good morning, ma'am. And abstract on Subhash Chandra. वही तो है. Good morning, ma'am. Abstract on Subhash Chandra Goenka. Subhash Chandra Goenka was born in 30 November 1950. He is an Indian billionaire, media baron. He is the chairman of TCL Group, an Indian media, and founded GTV in 1992. He was also the chairman of G Media, but resigned as director and non-executive chairman of the company on 24 May 2016. मैम इतना तो बोले he was elected to upper house of Indian Parliament. Achievements. He's founded the channel.
I am Mr. Narayan Murthy. Firstly, I am speaking about his childhood. Narayan Murthy was born on 20 August 1946 in Karnataka in middle class family and Brahmin family. His life was very painful. And about his education, his school education got education from Karnataka, and after completing his school education, he graduated from National Institute of Engineering, University of Mysore, with a bachelor degree in electrical engineer and master degree from Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. About his personal life, his wife Sudha Murthy is social worker and author and does philanthropic work through the Infosys Foundation. ये सोशल वर्कर और फाउंडेशन मतलब ये इंफोसिस के द्वारा मतलब सोशल वर्क करती थी वेलफेयर. And Narayan Murthy was also social worker. And Narayan Murthy has two children, a son Rohan Murthy and daughter Akshita Murthy. About his career, Narayan Murthy is an Indian businessman.
Indian billionaire, businessman का जरूरत नहीं बोलेगा जब
He was founder in Infosys and he had been a chairman officer and president and chief mentor of the committee before retiring and taking the little chairman. And about his award and honors, he got many awards, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, and Philanthropic of the Year. That's all.
all right, that's it. Okay. Yes, I want to encourage more and more people, getting them into the art of public speaking. Yes, that is important. Are you all reading what Pratay has written? Okay, start.
Narayan Murthy is a famous Indian industrialist and businessman. He had worked in 1946 in the Karnataka state of India. He graduated as an electrical engineer in the year 1967. He earned postgraduate in 1969. He started his career with IIM Ahmedabad Associate. He founded Infosys in 1981 with the help of his friends. On 11 October 2013, he became its chairman emeritus. He married to Sudha Murthy on 10 February 1978. He wrote several books including A Better India, A Better World. He received many Indian and other foreign awards and recognitions. Narayan Murthy was the board director of the United Nations Foundation. He earned his master's in mechanical engineering from the IIT Kanpur. His wife, Sudha Murthy, is an engineer, teacher, and a popular author in India. Murthy has been a member of the advisory board and the council of many educational and non-educational institutions. He has been seen as active in raising voice against many social issues. He has also been on the list of richest people in India. He became famous after founding Infosys. He earned Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan by the government of India in 2000 and 2008 respectively. He was the philanthropist of the year in 2013. In 2003, he was the first and young award entrepreneur of the year.
Do not repeat words which you have used. Keep trying and keep writing. Alright, that's it for today.